Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix app not recognizing email. If you're trying to add your email to an app and the app is not recognizing your email, the first and foremost thing that you must do is check your email address and make sure that it is correct. The other thing that you can do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data network to check if it is a connection issue. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If the problem still persists, head over to settings on your device, tap on apps. For now, I'm going to be demonstrating with Gmail, so we're going to be looking for Gmail. Tap on Gmail, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Gmail and try relogging into the app. If the problem still persists, head over to your app drawer, type in the name of the app that you want to log into, long press on the app, hit uninstall if possible, and then head over to the Play Store and reinstall the app. Also, make sure to restart your device before trying to reinstall the app and try one more time. If the problem still persists, the problem probably is on the side of the app developer. In that case, you must contact support. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.